Try to understand this very point. All of us present here are going to die. None of us is going to live. Each of the souls living on this earth at this very moment, each zalim is going to die. Each of the Muslims is going to die. Each of the kuffar, the taghut, the mushriks and the munafiqs is going to die. This world is coming to an end soon. Everyone's going to die one day. Allah said, only the ones who will be saved from the hellfire and granted the Jannah are the successful. No one except them will be successful. This world is nothing but a delusion. That's why remembrance of death can find you the ultimate goal of your life. You can lead this lifestyle and live only for this world, but someday the world's going to forget you. History won't remember you. Allah will not remember you. Allah said in Surah Toha, my revelations came to you. You neglected it. So today you are neglected. The one who will move away from the dhikr, the sharia of Allah, will be raised as blind on the day of judgment. He will ask Allah, Ya Allah, why am I blind today? I wasn't blind in my previous life. That time, Allah will say, my revelations came to you. You neglected it. And today, I neglect you too in the same way. Now, you can live either for your dunya or your akhirah. If you live for akhirah, for Allah, then your motto should be like this. Ya Allah, my salat, my siyam, my qurbani, my salat, my qurbani, my sacrifice, my life, my death, everything's lillahi rabbil alameen. For Allah, the Lord of the universe. If we want to live for Allah, then we have to abide all the laws of Allah and His Rasul. That's all. And the life goal needs to be fixed. By the way, earlier I have mentioned we have to identify the anti-Islamic traps. You have to figure out a constructive syllabus. You have to fix the goal of your life. And now, in the fourth place, I want to say, once you have returned to the path of deen, you have to study according to such a syllabus which is gonna help you acquire the quality to lead the world, inshallah. Not only secular education and not only Islamic education either. A harmonious communication, a harmonious connection of the two should be maintained. Such as a youth has to read the Quran, learn the Arabic language. He has to read the tafsirs. He has to cover the books of hadith. He has to know fiqh. He has to know about usul. He has to learn about the manhaj of the Salaf Salihin. He has to know about the history of Islam, the world history, alongside economy and world economics, plus Islamic economy. Besides these, he also needs to know about the geopolitics, and he has to study various philosophical ideas too. If you study on these topics well, inshallah, in 5 to 10 years, you will discover yourself as a different person, inshallah ta'ala. And you, with the help of your multidimensional knowledge, will be able to present such words in front of people, inshallah, which no one has ever mentioned in history, inshallah ta'ala. It is to say that I am meaning the contemporary times, because our ancestors, the Salaf Salihin, the Tabi Tabi'in, and our role models, they had always studied according to a constructive syllabus, and as a result of their efforts, we are living in this current world.